series where I get to sit down with the amazing people at Netor Infotech and Ascendion Company and get to know their stories, passions, and unique roles that drive excellence and innovation here at Netor. I'm your host Pooja Medekar, and today we have Harshali Changarkar, our Senior Digital Marketing Executive. Hi Harshali, how are you doing today?
Hi Pooja, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So Harshali, walk me through your normal work day. What do you usually do?
So to begin with my work day, I usually take care of all the social media platforms that are there at Netor Infotech. I call them my social media babies. Apart from the social media thing, what I look into is the complete marketing automation part that goes under Netor Infotech. So, when you see at the Netor website, there are various collaterals and various forms that are there. So, everything that goes at the back end is that I take care of. Along with that, I also work on content writing, that is under microblogs and Quora questions for community marketing. Apart from this, everything that comes under Zoho, so may it be running surveys or preparing campaigns, preparing newsletters, all of this is something that I usually do on daily basis, which actually goes on changing. You don't have everything every day, but yes, this is overall what I take care of.
That sounds like a lot of fun, Harshali, honestly. So what is the most rewarding part of your role?
So the most rewarding part of my role comes actually every month at the end of the month, wherein I get to see the analytics of what we've done in the complete month. So when you are putting your efforts into something and then spending your complete month, your every day into working on it, and then seeing the outcome of this is something that is very rewarding. When I look at my social media platforms, when you see the likes, when you see the reactions of the audience, when you see your followers growing, I think that is what gives you the complete satisfaction of being a marketing executive.
I absolutely agree with you, Harshali, there. Being a junior marketing executive, it is so rewarding to see the results of what your content is doing on social media. So my next question to you is, what is one tool that you absolutely cannot work without?
Basically, I can't talk about one tool because there are various tools that I use on everyday basis. But again, you've told me to talk about only one tool. So the one tool that I cannot absolutely work without is Zoho. A tool that I like and I don't like as well, but yes, that is something I cannot work without, because when it comes to preparing your campaigns or going through analytics or creating your newsletters, everything comes under Zoho. So that is a tool that I absolutely cannot work without.
Absolutely, that makes sense. What is one habit that makes you productive at work?
So one habit that I have is I have a habit of keeping sticky notes on my desktop. So that helps me in keeping my to-do list ready, so that I have what all things need to be done on daily basis, that is there. Along with this, when we have our meetings or when we have or our calls that we have, so if there are some pointers that are given to us by the managers or even in our colleagues, I keep noting them down so that I don't forget things, and this helps me being more productive.
That's a very helpful tip to have. Now let's move on from your workday to a more personal thing. How do you unwind after a long workday?
So driving is something that I usually love to do, that gives me a break from everything around. So I prefer driving with loud music. That is something that I do. Apart from this, I also like to read novels, watch series, watch films, and going to trips is something that I love to do, but that obviously does not happen on a daily basis. That is only for vacations. Yeah, driving is something that I unwind my day with.
Oh, I didn't know that about you. Tell me one fun fact about you that no one at work knows.
One fun fact about me is that I love watching Barbie movies even at this age. I don't think you are that grown up that you can't watch Barbie movies. Another fun fact is that I love balloons. I love keeping the kid in me alive. So I have a habit of you have this that mummy, please give me this. So that is one thing that I always get from my mother. I always have a habit of pinching her and telling that I want the balloon.
I couldn't agree more, Harshali. There is no age where you could stop watching Barbie movies. So Harshali, tell me, if you could teleport to one place in anywhere in the world, where would you go?
I think Santorini, because I am completely obsessed with the white and blue, the white architecture and the blue domes that they have, the beautiful sunset pictures that you see on Google. That is something I'm completely obsessed with. So yes, if I am able to teleport, obviously that will be Santorini.
Oh, Greece, that's a lovely place. I would also like to visit sometime. So tell me one thing that you have learned from your team that has surprised you.
So one thing that has surprised me of my team is their supportive nature. So maybe in your office times or in your personal times, there is nothing that you can't talk to them about. Not only the subordinates that we have, but also with the managers. The rapport is very, very, very interesting. So you can talk to them about anything and everything. So that is something that has surprised me, that even an office team can be like a family. So I just love this thing about my team.
I agree. Everyone here at Nettor Infotech is like a breath of fresh air and like a family, truly. So tell me, if you could swap your roles with somebody for one day, who would that be?
If I'm allowed to swap roles with someone, I'll prefer swapping roles with the one who's shooting this video right now. So that is Ashutosh Daunde, our graphic designer, because I'm very good at art and craft. My complete team knows that. I love drawings, I love paintings, I love clicking photographs, and editing of all those stuffs is something that will be very interesting to do. So I'll obviously try to create the content that he does as well. So that is something I love to do. Switching roles with him is something very interesting.
That sounds like a lot of fun, Harshali. I think I'll also be up for doing that if Ashutosh allows us. Thank you so much, Harshali, for being here with me. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much for inviting me here. It was really fun having a talk with you.
I hope you like this episode of Know Your Ascender, and I hope you come back for more. If you want to know how to become an ascender, please visit our careers page and follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you.